Prepping your car is one of the most important things to do to successfully install our products. For installing color change wraps or paint protection film on exterior surfaces, first wash your car with a degreaser. This makes sure to strip the wax and other oils from the car's surface. If you run your fingers across the paint and it feels rough, clay bar your car. Use the degreaser as a lubricant. Once you feel that the area is smooth with your fingers, move on. Before installing color change wraps, make sure your car is fully dry. This is very important since vinyl wraps are a dry install. Moisture will make it difficult to stick effectively. The crevices are the areas you need to focus on. Air dry overnight or wrap your squeegee with a microfiber towel to get the edges. After it is clean and dry, wipe the edges with 70% rubbing alcohol on your microfiber cloth. To get the hard-to-reach edges, wrap your squeegee with a microfiber towel, spray the alcohol on the cloth, and clean the edges. If you're installing one of our interior kits, our kits include alcoholic wipes. Make sure to go over the edges with the wipes. This makes sure that the vinyl will last much longer and stick to the edges better. Lastly, it's recommended to install indoors if possible. This will ensure that dust particles or contaminants do not get under the vinyl or PPF. Once you're done with the install, wait at least 24 hours before washing your car.